Here is your key fob for your Toyota CHR. First thing we'll do is we'll pull that button there and slide the physical key out. Now right there is a small slot. That's where you put the physical key in, and it only goes in the way I'm showing. If you do it upside down, the key will not work. So put the key in the way I'm showing and then give it a twist. That's going to pry the remote open. Now let's separate the two halves of the key fob remote, keep them aside. Let's get the remote part out of there, and that's where the battery is. To get the battery out, get the key and gently pry it out from the side, just the way I'm showing, and the battery comes out. The battery size is CR2032. The positive sign is marked with a plus sign. The negative side has no markings on it. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon. Let's get the new battery and then put it back in the way I'm showing and then press it down to secure it. Now let's put this remote part back in one half of the key remote and make sure it's positioned correctly. If it's upside down in the reverse order, it will not work. Now you know where the battery goes. Let's put the other half back on it and press it together to secure it, and that's good. Let's not forget to put the physical key back into the key fob and try this out. It's working good, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.